Howdy folks, hope everybody's doing well. Hope you're having a blessed day. So today I want to talk a little bit about AI. There are a lot of people that seem to be worried about AI, well, AI is going to take my job. AI is going to destroy a lot of different industries. You know, you're partially right, you're partially wrong. I don't think it's so much to worry about taking your job unless you don't plan on moving ahead and actually using AI. Most of the types of jobs that are going to be destroyed by AI are the types of jobs that do a lot of menial tasks over and over again. You got to remember that technology has come along time and time again and has changed things. Okay, perfect example is if you take a look at the automobile, what it did to the horse and buggy. Well, yeah, if you were a person who built buggies or wagon wheels for a living, yeah, the automobile got rid of your job. You had to adapt, you had to change, you had to roll forward with what was going on. The tractor, it basically got rid of horse-drawn plows, and I mean, it made things more efficient. It made things, hey Landon, it made things so that people were able to do a lot more work in a lot less time. And AI is basically doing the same thing. It's allowing people to do a lot more in a lot less time. The experts are saying that for every AI job that is destroyed, they're expecting it to create 2 to 2.5 new jobs. There are a lot of different kinds of jobs that are actually being created right now by AI. Prompt engineer is a perfect example. For those of you who don't know what a prompt engineer is, it's someone who actually does the prompts that give AI the correct instructions to do what it needs to do. You know how when you're sitting at your computer, if you give it bad instructions, it's going to come up with results that you don't want or don't expect. Well, AI is basically the same thing. It's in its child stage right now. But if you teach AI, if you put in the correct prompts telling it what you want it to do, you'll be amazed at some of the things that it spits out. If you are not familiar with it, go over to ChatGPT, take a look at it, start putting things in and see what it comes up with. You can actually start a conversation. You can continue with what you're doing and niche down to what you're looking for. If you like doing graphics, Midjourney is a really, really, really good place to get some graphics made. They have their own Discord channel. You type the information in, and it comes up with some amazing graphics. You don't have to be an artist. You can come up with stuff that's absolutely amazing. I've done a few things myself that were just it surprised the heck out of me. Doll E is also another one that's really, really good, and that's actually put together by the same folks that brought you Chat GPT. I actually created some graphics for a couple of websites, and the website owners are really, really pleased with the graphics I came up with them. And I didn't have to hire a graphic artist. These are graphics that in the past I would have had to pay 50, 100, and sometimes even a couple $100 a piece for. And I'm able to do this now in literally less than 5 minutes for a piece of graphic work that's just, it's way better than what I could ever come up with on my own. So don't be afraid of AI. There are so many different places now where you can actually learn how to engineer these different prompts. In fact, ChatGPT will actually come up with a lot of them for you. Just type in what you're looking for, it'll come up with a prompt. Then you either go over to Doll E or you go over to Midjourney, and you just copy and paste the prompt in there, and it will actually come up with some graphics that you'll be astounded by. Don't be afraid of AI. Yes, AI can be used for bad purposes, but then what can't? I mean, knives were invented so that we were using them for hunting and such like that back in the day. And yes, they can be used to kill other people, but that doesn't necessarily mean they have to be used that way. AI can be used as a very, very good and useful tool. So don't be afraid of it. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Send me a message directly on my Facebook, and I'll be more than happy to go ahead and give you some tips, things that will help you out on your AI journey, learning how to use it. Okay, that's all for now. Hope you're having a fantastic day. God bless you all. Take care of yourselves.